In order to help accelerate the restoration of the Anacostia and Potomac Rivers and Rock Creek, the Department of Energy and Environment is buying stormwater retention credits, or SRCs, from new voluntary green infrastructure through its SRC Price Lock program. You can voluntarily install green infrastructure practices like rain gardens in the district to generate stormwater retention credits. Credits can be sold on an open market to regulated development projects, which have the option of using these credits to meet a portion of their stormwater management obligations. Stormwater retention credit aggregators are businesses that build practices across many sites in order to generate and sell credits. Aggregators play a crucial role by raising capital from investors in order to build green infrastructure in partnership with landowners. Aggregators can use the money from selling credits to provide a return to their investors and to fund more green infrastructure projects. The SRC Price Lock program builds on the existing SRC market by attracting additional private capital to accelerate the pace of runoff-reducing green infrastructure retrofits. Through the program, DOEE acts as a buyer of last resort by purchasing credits at a fixed price if they cannot be sold for a higher price on the market. The option to sell credits to DOEE increases investors' confidence in credit-generating projects, allowing more aggregators to raise more money and build more green infrastructure. Because participating practices must be located in priority watersheds, the Price Lock program helps fund green infrastructure in the areas where it will have the greatest impact and provide a supply of credits from these areas. Want to participate in the stormwater retention credit market? There are opportunities for investors, aggregators, and landowners to contribute to the restoration of the Anacostia watershed. To learn more, visit doee.dc.gov/SRC or email src.trading@dc.gov.